This is the simple CRM for Freelancer. You'll manage four things: clients, projects, tasks, invoices. Each section has multiple views already set up so you can switch between everything: focused lists, timelines, calendars, and Kanban boards, all connected together so updates flow automatically. The homepage gives you the four core databases inline for quick access: clients, projects, tasks, invoices. We'll go one by one, then I'll show a real workflow from lead to paid invoice. Clients is where you keep contact details, status, and related work. Key fields: client name, email, phone, notes, status, lead, active, past, archived. Related projects: links, any projects for this client. Views: 1. Active clients. A minimal list filtered to just active, great for quick context. 3. Leads. A Kanban-style board grouped by status so you can move leads forward. Past clients. A table focused on historical clients for reference. Projects connects to clients and captures schedule, priority, and value. Key fields: project name, notes. Clients. Relation, back to clients. Start date and due date. Priority: low, medium, high. Status: inquiry, proposal. Sent, in progress, completed. Value: project amount. Views: timeline. Visual timeline by due date for active work. Great for planning a capacity. 3. Active projects. Only what's in progress, grouped by status to highlight stage. 4. High-value projects. Filters to projects above $1,000 and sorts by amount. Tasks keep delivery moving across projects. Key fields: task name, notes, projects, relation back to projects. Due date, priority, low, medium, high. Status, to do, in progress, done views. 1. All. Spreadsheet-style task list with project, priority, status, and due date. 2. Active tasks, filtered to do and in progress so you only see what matters now. 3rd. Calendar. View. Weekly or monthly planning by due date. 4. Kanban by status. Drag and drop board to move tasks across stages. Invoices track what's been billed, what's outstanding, and what's paid. Key fields: invoice number. Clients and projects. Relations back to the other databases. Amount. Issue date, due date. Status: draft, sent, overdue, paid. Notes. Views: 1. All, complete ledger of invoices. 2. Paid invoices, just the completed ones, sorted by amount descending. 3. Outstanding invoices, sent or overdue, grouped by status and sorted by due date to prioritize follow-up. 4. Calendar view. Invoices plotted by due date to visualize cash flow timing. That's the simple CRM for Freelancer. Clean, connected, and ready to go. Duplicate it, customize the views you'll use daily, and you'll always know what to do next and who to invoice. Links are below. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Notion operating systems and walkthroughs.